We're about to get on our helicopter, go to Monaco. This is episode 4. Super excited. I don't think you can hear.
Do you need your backpack? No.
I need my backpack.
Thank you. Thank you. Bonjour. We wanted to check in.
Welcome at the Hotel Metropole. My colleague show you the way for the checking in. This is the concierge desk.
Gotcha. Hey, welcome. Which name? Robert.
Bonjour monsieur.
Bonjour.
Nice to meet you. But you was?
We were in Berlin.
Nice weather? Oh,
That was nice.
it's very cold today here.
Oh, it's terrible.
Welcome to the Hotel Metropole
Thank you.
Monte Carlo. Thank you,
Bye.
Mr. Gryn.
Welcome to the Metropole Hotel.
Look at this. It's so beautiful here. It feels good to be here. You can feel like I don't know what to call it, the luxury and just all the wealth here. It's exciting. We're gonna get some food now because we're very hungry. That's cool. Oh my goodness, it's too beautiful here. Perfect temperature. We are going to the casino now to get some food and try not to gamble. Right? Yes. This way?
This way.
It just feels like some sort of, I don't know. Everything's so tight. There's so much money here. All these ballers and gangsters. Ah, there it is. Maybe one day I'll live here. I don't know.
Oh wait, we go there.
Yeah. It's a good place to live, I think. My dad actually said I should live here. But I think that's just because he wants to live here with me. Which is fine. One day. Alright, remember that guy from the 3rd episode?
Actually, we didn't end up putting him in episode 3. Sorry, Drella. But we did meet him in Berlin as well.
This is Drella, managing director of Zero Park.
See you in Monaco.
See you! See you in 12 hours. Oh!
No! Oh!
We just saw him miss the turn twice. I'm trying to call him so he doesn't miss it thrice.
Thrice.
Trice. Hej, widzieliśmy ciebie dwa razy. Miałeś. O, wjeżdża cygan! O, wjeżdża cygan. Okay. Alright, the welcome party is ready. It's blinding. They're not gonna let him in because he's Polish. I can say that because I'm Polish. You can't say that unless you're Polish.
Cygan!
Cygan. My gypsy brother from another gypsy mother is here. 12-hour drive, 13 hours. Look at this guy. Look at this Cygan. Is his roof down? Cygan! What have you coming? Okay,
Oh, my legs!
his legs. Park it up. He said, oh my god, it's f***ing beautiful here. And it is. This car actually stands out here. It starts stop. I love how you use start stop. It's the first thing I disabled. Monsieur. I drank your welcome beer.
Oh my god, I had an accident.
What?
And it's some idiot bumped into me
Where?
in traffic.
Damaged?
No, well, he damaged the camera. And,
Oh.
and
Sorry to hear that.
license plate a little bit.
No, it's not. I can see it.
Would damn. Let's get him that welcome beer that I drank.
You look red. Now you look okay. Before you were red.
Like,
Red.
oh, from.
Super red, like a devil. You are it.
I'm an angel. I really believe it. Let me spin that for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I would be the best, like, bellman. Yo, let me spin that for you. Look at this, Vanquish S. My goodness. We have something better for tomorrow. You will see. Okay, maybe not better, but sometimes cooler.
Different.
Oh, different. That is incredible, though. This thing's huge.
That is just...
No, you need to hold it.
I'm sorry. Please cut that from the blog.
It's so tight here.
Whoa, watch out, that paint job. Wow. We're just going to drive around then, sure?
No.
No, straight to...
Well, we're gonna drive a little bit. What is the name of this place? Eden. We're here for dinner. It looks amazing. It was very tricky to get here. We're driving a boat. We're driving a yacht. It should be in the water, not on the street. This is ridiculous. Censorship.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
Even the cat.
Even the cat. Some sort of half lion. It just makes you happy that people make things like this.
Yeah.
Build s*** like this. To have the imagination. I don't even know if we're going the right way. But I don't really care. I think it's up here. Let's go. Oh man. Incredible. You seeing this? We're in what is honestly one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. my mind is just buzzing with just feeling so inspired that someone saw this rocky face and decided to build something as breathtaking as this. I mean, the execution must have been, I can't even imagine. I'm from the internet, so I don't even know what it's like to lay a brick. It's just incredible to try to imagine that someone saw this and decided to do what we see here. And you know, it makes me feel like the internet business that I built is uncomparable to something like this. This is just far beyond. And kudos to whoever thought of this. But that feeling of just you know, where you're so blown away by what someone's done is the best feeling for me in the world, because it just makes me want to like do even more. Maybe start like some sort of physical business. You know, I always wanted to get into renewable energy, wind farms, solar farms, and just being here inspires me to really maybe do that sooner rather than later. You know, it just makes you want to do more being in a place like this. It's not just a pretty view. It's something much more to me. You know, just walking around here, it just makes you realize that someone put so much passion into this place. It's not just like a business, it's not just a hotel. This is someone's life, like, taking form, and just someone must be so proud of this place. Every detail is taken care of. It's such a pleasure to see. I think we need more of that in the world. It'd be a better place if everybody did something that they just love and build the stuff that they love. It makes me want to do better. Apparently, if you try to grab the hood ornament, it hides within like 1/10 of a second. We're gonna try that maybe now.
Try it.
Yeah. Well, I need the key. Let me go get the key. We're gonna try that. I've seen this on YouTube. Now you're seeing this on YouTube, because this will be on YouTube. Get it. Oh, I'm gonna. Okay. That's a bit strange. Maybe it's a feature you need to enable. Sorry, that wasn't as cool as I thought it'd be. You know what time it is?
It's the night.
Sorry?
Ben's
I got my own. Pants tonight, he asked. Oh man, I had to borrow Drella's pants yesterday. That was funny.
You going to change?
Yeah, I'm gonna change quickly. I'll be back. Drella had this idea that we race to Cannes. He's gonna be driving his Targa 4S, and we're gonna be flying a helicopter. How long's the drive for you?
The drive should be about 55, 57 minutes from here till our apartment in Cannes.
And we have a helicopter flight that's around 15 minutes, but it takes 15 minutes to get there. Then we have to get a.
This is your helicopter ride, right?
That's our yeah. There's our lift to the helipad. And then we have another 10 or 15 minutes to get to our Airbnb, so we'll see who's first. It's kind of exciting. It's gonna be close. We're gonna leave at the same time. Oh, this is fun. I don't know. I think he's gonna win. I think he's gonna win.
I'm coming with you again.
Everything really fits in here. Very practical. Oh, it's quite deep.
What do you think will kick the ass?
Well, it really depends on if I don't get lost on the way there.
What do you think?
I'm hoping he's gonna get lost, because otherwise he's probably gonna win. I'm just impressed to see all this stuff fit in this car. It's such a practical car. We need to leave. Take that roof down. The Targa 4S or a van, and then a helicopter, and then another van. Check this out, man. This is amazing. Look at this. All right.
Alright.
Are you off?
The only thing I need to do is put in the address. Rue George Clemenceau.
Be safe.
May the best man
May the
win.
best man win. Let's go. Here we go. He's off. Our flight's in 13 minutes. It's pretty exciting. Feels like some Top Gear shit, except on a low budget.
According to the GPS, I should arrive at 1709. If that were true, it means I could win this race really, really easily.
Drella's drive is, what, 52 minutes, he said? Ours should be less than 10 minutes to get there, and we'll be off in 12 minutes.
There's no way they can get to the heliport in Monaco in this traffic.
I'm not sure how long the drive is from the helipad in Cannes, but I think we're gonna win this. I think we're gonna win this.
Made it outside of Monaco. Just outside, I have a straight road to Nice, 30 kilometers, no turns, and then it's the highway. According to plan, they should be flying out in about 5 minutes.
Right. Not much we can do. He can at least speed, we just go with the flow, but still it's exciting. You seem in a rush too, maybe they know. We'll see if we beat Drella. How long is the flight? 15 minutes. 15-minute flight. If things go well, I think we're gonna win this. Man, it's funny to think that if Top Gear does this, they probably have to coordinate it all, plan it. We're just doing it. This is real.
So this is an obstacle that I have to face. Toll gate. So far the average speed has only been 57, 58 kilometers an hour. That's not very much. Whoa! They don't accept cards. Oh my god, I approach. Screw the change, I don't need my 50 euro cents. I'm gonna win a race. God damn it, that could have been. Woo! Thank God I kept a few euros. Jesus.
So we're arriving in Cannes. It's gonna be very close, very close. Welcome to Cannes. Thank you. Have a nice day. So we're on our way. I don't really know. Oh, I don't know where we were renting an Airbnb here. Either way, I think Drella is gonna have to be speeding really fast to make it as quick as we door to door.
3 kilometers to go. It's 6 minutes. Except we are not moving. We are not moving. You see, 0, 0. It was extremely rude of me, but that guy definitely overreacted. Would have never done that. But I have a race to win. Sorry.
I'll call my friend.
Just after.
Oh, that's Robert. Hello, hello. Did I lose?
Halo, my już blisko, a ten cykan?
A, zostały 2 minuty.
Gdzie?
Zostały 2 minuty.
Dobra, my szukamy.
Over and out, over and out. Ah!
So we just got dropped off by our driver. He doesn't know where 53 is, so I need to check. Drella could be anywhere. But I think it's that way. I think it's that way. Jesus. I'm not here. Well, that's not him. Hey! All right. Found it. Is Drella here? Oh, then we won! Oh, there he is!
Oh my god!
There it is, Gypsy! We're racing and we took a helicopter.
That is proper Top Gear.
You lost! Good timing. By like Gavin just called me out.
Oh my god!
He's just pulling up.
Oh man!
So there's one problem. There is a space, but she thinks that the guys.
That was exciting. I'm so close.
I said, well, they'll probably take your phone.
Top Gear, like Top Gear, except this is real. We just raced them.
Was it like I expected to see some Top Gear, like proper running and sweating?
Well, Gavin just stuck his head out as Drella was down there, so that was pretty cool. You're gonna die.
Yeah, don't die.
You're dead.
Please don't die. That'd be a bad start.
All right. Oh man, that was cool.
I lost.
He's filming. What?
At least you have an hour of footage of me talking to the GoPro. You can take this now. Good to see you.
Oh my God, he was filming for half an hour, bro.
Really?
What the? Were you talking to this thing?
As well.
Wow. Seriously. All right.
I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, I'll remind you. I'm gonna take my bags and
How do you feel, Drella?
Sorry?
He feels salty.
Disappointed.
He feels salty and
amount of
angry.
Traffic laws I broke to get here on time to win this race. Man, it was so close. It was that close. Wow.
That was a proper Top Gear arrival.
Gavin's head stuck out, and I look and I see your orange car. I'm like,
Alright.
Sweet.
I lost.
Down in.
Hey, just check.
wow, much better than last year.
Yeah.
The heliport is where you guys landed is just over there, and that's what I didn't count on. I was hoping that you would have to drive all across town to get here. And not just from there.
What if I told you we strategically booked this place because it was near the heliport?
Right.
And I did do that. But we're here in Cannes now. Cannes. Don't say Cannes. And we're at the, what's the full name? The Cannes Lions Festival of Creativity.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, the whole
I
thing.
had no idea.
15,000 people from, media companies, internet companies, anything to do
With advertising.
with advertising and media. So
Not just internet.
So we're hoping to get some meetings with some of the big boys because we're ready to grow up. Startup to, what do I call it?
Grow up.
So to something bigger. That's why we're here. Stay tuned.
No.
Okay. Thanks for watching. No? Stay tuned for episode 5.
That is terrible.
Shut up. Now it's hard to just say normal.
And it's still live.
I know.
No, just
What about if Drella says it?
say you
Because
say.
he's in episode 5.
I'm in episode 5 or 4?
In
5 as well. 5 is can.
As a part of a guest appearance, I can say stay tuned for more of this Joker.
Let's do that again. Say stay tuned without Joker part.
Why not? But
Yeah?
okay.
I ain't that funny.
All right.
I'm not a Joker.
Everything what happened the last 5 minutes was terrible.
Look, there's a seagull. Thanks for watching. Check out the seagull.
Where?
There's a seagull over there. Thanks for watching. No!
Yes, there is.
There is a seagull.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Stupid.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks. No, seriously, thank you. Now stop watching.